Hello guys. Today in this lesson we're going to talk about comparative adjectives. So there are two types of adjectives. They are comparative and superlative. So in this lesson we're going to concentrate on comparative adjectives. Well, what is comparative adjective? Just let me give an example, okay? For example, I have two pens, right? So this pen is longer than this pen. You see here, this pen is shorter, and I can show you like this. For example, this pen is longer, yeah, it's longer, and this pen is shorter. You see, there is a difference between them. So I say this pen is longer than this pen, or this pen is shorter than this pen. You see? So we are comparing two objects here. So we use comparative adjectives when we describe two things, two objects, or two people, okay? So let me explain the order of adjectives, how we can use, okay? So we have sometimes we have several adjectives. In this case, we can use several adjectives to describe an object, of course, or a person. We have to put adjectives in the following order. For example, in the first place, size, and then age and color. So just remember the order of these adjectives, okay? For example, it's a big old brown dog. So in this case, we use first big. It's a size big. Old is an age. Brown is color. So you see, it's a small new white table. Also, we cannot say, for example, it's a new white small table. It's incorrect. You have to follow this order, okay? For example, he has got short brown hair and so on. Now, as I said that we use comparative adjectives to compare two things or people. So we use comparative adjectives like this. So, you know, we have two types of adjectives like short adjective and long adjectives. So short adjective consists of one syllable. Yes, one syllable. And long adjectives consist of two or more than syllables. So firstly, one syllable, we just only add suffix er to the most adjectives. For example, fast, faster, long, longer, tall, taller. So we just add suffix er to the adjective, right? And if we have one syllable with stressed vowel between two consonant letters, okay, we have to double last consonant and then we add er, suffix er. So what does it mean? Big. For example, we have b, b, g, they are consonant sounds. B and G consonant. And between two consonant sounds, we have I. I is a vowel sound. So in this case, we have to write double G, bigger, okay? Hot, hotter, and so on. And if we have two syllable that end Y, okay, we have to change Y into I, and then we add ER. So, for example, heavy, there are two syllables, okay? Heavy, not one, two syllable. He, first, and second syllable, V. So in this case, Y changes to I, and then we add a suffix er, heavier. Dirty, dirty, okay? As I said, we have long adjectives. In this case, we just add more before adjectives, okay? Before adjective. And then we don't change the adjective. We don't add suffix er. For example, modern, okay? Modern, how many syllables do we have here? More than, so two syllables, yes? In this case, we add just the word more before adjective and then modern without any changes. Expensive, more expensive. And also we have exceptions. Exceptions mean that we don't use the word more, or we don't add suffix er. So you have to remember exceptions, okay? For example, good. In comparative adjective, we say better. Bad, worse, okay? And there are some common mistakes that some students have. For example, Jane is younger than Kate. So then it's a mistake because it has got another translation. Jane is younger than Kate will be better, and it's correct. So then, okay? And Jane is younger than she. She is incorrect. So we need to say Jane is younger than her. So we have to change the pronoun her, or Jane is younger than she is. So both of them are correct, but this one are incorrect. Okay, so I hope it was clear, and please, now it's time to practice more and do these exercises. So thank you for watching.